Hi, Paul Dorsey here. Welcome to Jantize America. Are you ready to take charge and become the leader in a thriving industry? Well, at Jantize America, we will provide you with a unique opportunity. It's only for driven individuals, empire built, to become our area developers, also known as master franchise. As a Jantize area developer, you will award, mentor, and support your local unit franchisees within your exclusive territory, all while building residual incomes. There's no cleaning, there's no nights, it's 8 to 5, and no weekend. This is why our business model stands out and is so successful. First, you're becoming a franchisor, not a franchisee. Think about it. Think about your futures 5 years from now. You don't want to be scooping ice cream or unlocking doors, do you? Our proprietary software, JanView, takes care of all the billing, the credit, the collections, those hassles and headaches. And as a Jantize area developer, your role is crucial. You will be awarding unit franchises to motivated individuals with a vested interest. You will mentor them through the startup process of starting their own local Jantize unit franchise, provide them customers to service, ongoing support to ensure your unit franchisees are a success. Your leadership will foster a thriving network of small business owners, professionals that have a vested interest with you and for you. By partnering with Jantize America, you're going to enter a market with immense potential, and it's backed by a recognized brand, Jantize America. The commercial cleaning industry is booming. The increasing demand for the high quality, reliable services that Jantize offers. So please explore the website, watch some of the other videos, and when you're ready to be an empire builder, call me. Together, we can make a significant impact on the lives of others, your unit franchisees, and all achieve remarkable growth.